La Fuerza Aérea Dominicana cuenta con 8 aviones de combate principal conocidos como los Super Tucano. 2 unidades en servicio del Flying Legend Tucano, Replica también conocido como TP-75 más 8 en proceso de ensamblaje en el país, utilizado principalmente para entrenamiento y vigilancia. 5 unidades del ENAERTE, 35 pillan de entrenamiento y formación de pilotos. 3 cazas C-212 Biocat, utilizado para transporte de tropas o cargamento militar. Un Tecnam P-2006T. 2 aviones Verpa 31 Navajo para transporte o cargamento militar ligero. Un Aero Commander 500 de transporte especial. Un Aeromota AMT-200 Dominican Republic is 3 unidades
by Colombian
Ski Hawk,
cartels
un Cessna
for the
182 Esquilano,
of
un Cessna
illicit
210
financial
Centurion y un
transaction.
Cessna 206.
In
Todas
2004,
estas mencionadas
it was
anteriormente
estimated that
cumplen el rol de
8%
entrenamiento,
of all
transporte aéreo
cocaine
militar y observación.
smuggled
También la Fuerza
into the
Aérea
United
Dominicana
States
cuenta con 14 helicópteros
had come
utilitarios
through the
Bell
Dominican
1-barra
Republic.
y 2
The
utilizados para misiones
Dominican
especiales y
Republic
de rescate.
responded with increased
4 modernos
effort
helicópteros
to
en proceso de
distract
adquisición que
shipment.
serán utilizados
Russian
principalmente para la búsqueda y
extradited
rescate.
was involved
10
and
unidades
combat money
H-58 utilizados
laundering.
principalmente para
The
patrullaje.
overturned
3
treatment of
Sikorsky
violent criminals
S-333
has
de
been a
entrenamiento y observación. Un
continuous
Cessna Citation
source of
500
local
Gulfstream
controversy.
GA.
In April
También
2010,
la Fuerza Aérea
15
opera 3 helicópteros
niggers
destinados para el uso presidencial, los cuales son
15
el
to 17
Eurocopter
and killed to taxi drivers and killed other drivers by forcing them to
S-155.
drink planning a kite. On September 24, 2010, the 10 were sentenced to prison term of 3 to 5 years, despite the protest of the taxi driver families.
Dominican Republic. The Dominican Republic is a country located on the island of Hispaniola in the Greater Antilles of the Caribbean Sea in the North Atlantic Ocean. It shares a maritime border with Puerto Rico to the east and land border with Haiti to the west, overtopping the eastern fifth of Hispaniola, which, along with Saint Martin, is one of only 2 islands in the Caribbean served by 2 sovereign states. In the Antilles, the country is the second largest nation by area after Cuba at 48,671 square kilometer or 18,792 sqmi, and second largest by population after Haiti with approximately 11.4 million people in 2024. Of women, 3.6 million reside in the metropolitan area of Santo Domingo, the capital city. Dominican Republic, Republic Dominican, Spanish flag, coat of arms. Mutu Dios Patria Libertad, Spanish God, Homeland Freedom, Anthem, Quisquayanos, Valientes, Valiant Quisquayans. Capital Santo Domingo and largest city Santo Domingo, 18 derajat 27 and 69 derajat 56. We official language Spanish. Of the spoken languages, see below. Ethnic group 71.72% mixed, 18.70% with 7.45% black, 0.33% as Asian, 0.37% other, 1.43% no unsure. Religion 2020, 74.6% Christianity, 52.5% Catholicism, 21.0% Protestantism, 1.1% other Christian, 22.0% no religion, 1.4% other, 2.0% unspecified. Demonyms: Dominican, Quisquayan, Colloquial, Government, Unitary Presidential Republic, President Luis Abinader, Vice President Rafael Pena, Legislator Congress, Upper House Senate, Lower House Chamber of Deputies Formation, Mayoral Independence 1821 to 1822, First Republic 1844 to 1861, Second Republic 1865 to 1916, Third Republic 1924 to 1965, Fourth Republic 1966. Present area total 48 671 km persegi or 18,792 SKMI, 128 in the world. Population 0.7. Population 2025 estimated 11,532,151. XPX NC 20 or 220 km persegi, 569.8 SKMI. GDP PPP 2025 estimated total US dollar 364.292 billion. Per capita US dollar 30,710. GDP nominal 2025 estimated total US dollar 135,745 billion. Per capita US dollar 12,452.74. JINA 2022 37 medium inequality. HDI 2023 up to 0.77689. Currency Dominican Peso DUP. Time zone UTC clock for EST that format DDMMYYYY or DDMMYYYY. Paling kode 1 ISO 3166 kode DU. Internet DU. Searches for area capital cost of arm, coordinates flag, lingua mutu and names. For an alternate area figure of 48,730 km persegi or 18,810 SKMI. Calling code 809 and internet LT. The native Taino people had inhabited Hispaniola prior to European contact, dividing into five chiefdoms. Christopher Columbus claimed the island for Castile, landing there on his first voyage in 1492. The colony of Santo Domingo became the seat of the first permanent European settlement in the American in 1697. Spain recognized French Dominican over the western third of the island, which became the independent French Empire of Haiti in 1804. A group of Dominican deposed Spain governor and declared independence from Spain in November 1821. But were annexed by Haiti in February 1822. Independence from 22 years. In 1844, our victory in the Dominican War of Independence. The next 72 years, Rasulullah Muhammad SAW, several civil wars followed invasion by Haiti. In a brief return to Spain colonial status before permanently ousting the Spain during the Dominican Restoration War of 1863 to 1865. From 1930, the dictatorship of Rafael Trujillo ruled until his assassination in 1961. John Bush was elected president in 1962 but was deposed in a military coup in 1963. The Dominican Civil War of 1965 preceded the authoritarian rule of Joaquin Balaguer 1966 to 1978 and 1986 to 1996. Since 1978, the Dominican Republic has moved toward representative democracy. The Dominican Republic has the largest economy in the Caribbean and the seventh largest in Latin America. Over the last 25 years, the Dominican Republic has had the fastest growing economy in the Western Hemisphere, with an average real GDP growth rate of 53%. But when 1992 and 2018, GDP growth in 2015 or 2014 reached 7.3 and 7.0%. respectively the highest in the Western Hemisphere. Exchange growth has been driven by construction, manufacturing, tourism, and mining. The country is the set of the third largest in terms of production. Goldman in the world, the Pueblo Viejo mine, the gross production of the country is 31 metric tons in 2015. The Dominican Republic is the most visited destination in the Caribbean, a geographically diverse nation. The Dominican Republic is home to both the Caribbean tallest mountain peak, Pico Duarte, and the Caribbean largest lake and lowest point, Lake and Riachuelo. The island has an average temperature of 26 derajat Celsius or 70 exotic derajat Fahrenheit. In great climatic and biological diversity, the country is also the seat of the Village Cathedral, Palace, Monastery, and fortress built in the American located in the Santo Domingo colonial zone, with heritage site. Economy by article economy of the Dominican Republic. View of Santo Domingo, the Dominican Republic capital city. During the last 3 decades, the Dominican economy for Bali dependent on the export of agricultural commodities, mainly sugar, cocoa, and coffee, has transitioned to a diversified mix of service, manufacturing, agriculture, mining, and trade. The service sector accounts for almost 60% of GDP. Manufacturing for 22%. Tourism, telecommunication, and financial are the main component of the service sector. However, none of the account for more than 10% of the world. The Dominican Republic has a stock market, Bolsa de Valores de la República Dominicana, BVRD, and advanced telecommunication system and transportation infrastructure, high unemployment and income inequality are long-term challenge. International migration after the Dominican Republic greatly as its cavies and channel the flow of migrant, but illegal Haitian immigration and the integration of Dominican of Haitian descent are major issues. A larger Dominican diaspora exists mostly in the United States, contributes to development, sending billions of dollars to Dominican families in remittances. Remittances in Dominican Republic increased to $4,571.30 million in 2014 from $3,333 million in 2013, according to data reported by the Inter-American Development Bank. Economic growth takes place instead of a chronic energy shortage, which causes frequent blackouts and various places. Despite a widening market issue that deficit tourism earnings and remittances available with foreign exchange reserves following economic turmoil in the late 1980 and 1990, during which the gross domestic product GDP fell by up to 5% and consumer price inflation reached and unprecedented 100%. The Dominican Republic entered a period of growth and declining inflation until 2002. After which the economy entered a recession. The recession followed the collapse of the second largest commercial bank in the country, Baninther, linked to a major incident of fraud valued at $3.5 billion. The Baninther had a devastating effect of the Dominican economy, with GDP dropping by 1% in 2003 as inflation ballooned by over 27%. Even including the start of the trial, Ramon Bates Figueroa, the great grandson of President Buenaventure Bates, were convicted, according to the 2005 annual report of the United Nations Subcommittee on Human Development in the Dominican Republic. The country is ranked no 71 in the world for resource availability, number 79 for human development, and number 14 in the world for research is management. This stating faces national government corruption, foreign economy intervention in the country, and the rift between the rich and poor. The Dominican Republic has a noted problem of skilled labor in its coffee, rice, sugar cane, and tomatoes industries. The labor injustices the sugar cane industry extend to forced labor according to the U.S. Department of Labor. Three larger group of 75% of the land, the State Sugar Council, Estel, the Azucarcia, Global Virginia, and Central Romana Corporation, according to the 2060 or 2016 Global Slavery Index, and estimated 100 for 800 people are enslaved in the modern day Dominican Republic, or 1.00% of the population. Currency, main article currency. Dominican peso. The Dominican peso, abbreviated US or RD dollar, ISO over 217 quarter is DOP. The Netherlands currency with the United States dollar, the euro, the Canadian dollar, and the Swiss francs. Also Egypt at most tourism seat the exchange to the US dollar liberalized by 1985, set at 2.70 pesos per dollar in August 1986, 14.00 peso in 1993, and 16.00 peso in 2000. As of September 2018, the rate was 60 or 50.08 pesos per dollar. Tourism, main article tourism in the Dominican Republic. Cabeza do Taro Beach, Punta Cana. Tourism is one of the fueling factor in the Dominican Republic economic growth. The Dominican Republic is the most popular tourism destination in the Caribbean, with the construction of Project Capitana San Suici Port in Santo Domingo, Casa de Campo, and the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, Ancient Mon Resort in Punta Cana. The Dominican Republic expect increased tourism activity in the upcoming years. Hotel tourism has also been a topic increasingly important, with town like Jarabacoa and Lakes Boring, Condanja, and location like the Pico Duarte, Bahia de las Aguilas, and others become more significant in effort to increase direct benefit from tourism. Most residents from other countries area requested to get a tourism card depending on the country they live in. In the last 10 years, the Dominican Republic has become one of the world's notably progressive states in terms of recycling and waste disposal. Communication, main article telecommunication in the Dominican Republic. The Dominican Republic has a well-developed telecommunication infrastructure, extensive mobile phone and landing service. Cable internet and DSL are available in most parts of the country. Primary internet service provided over 3G wireless internet service project to extend Wi-Fi hotspot have been made in Santo Domingo. The telecommunication regulation in the countries in total Instituto Dominican de Telecommunication is the largest telecommunication company in Peru, part of Carlos Sainz American Movie, which provides wireless landline, border, and EPTV service in June 2009. There were more than 8 million phone and subscribe plan and call users in the D.R, representing 81% of the country population and a fifth-fold increase since the year 2000, when there were 1.6 million. The communication sector generated about 3.0% of the GDP. There were 2,439 or 997 internet users in March 2000. In November 2000, the Dominican Republic became the first Latin America country the PALDE to include a granted perspective in every information and communication telecommunication technology (ECT) initiative and policy development by the government. This is part of the region ELEC 2010 plan. All the Dominican has cost the design and evaluate all the public policy is the EPC Garden Evaluation Methodology GEM. Electricity sector in the Dominican Republic. Electric power service has been unreliable since the Trujillo area. As much as 75% of the equipment is out the country, and the quartet power grid causes transmission losses that account for a larger share of pilot electricity from generator. The privatization the sector started under a previous administration of Leon Fernandez. The recent investment in 345 kilovolt Santo Domingo electrical highway with reduces transmission losses is being heralded as a major capital improvement to the nation growth since the May 1960. During the Trujillo regime, electrical service was introduced to many cities. Almost 95% of usage was not billed at all. Around half of the Dominican Republic to the 1 million houses have no meters and must do not pay or pay a visit money rate for their electric service. Horizontal and general electrical service is delivered at 110 volt, alternating at 60 as electrical power item from the United States world. With no modification, the major of the Dominican Republic has access to electricity to some areas than to have more reliable power as the business, travel, healthcare, and vital infrastructure. One efforts were announced to increase efficiency of delivery to place where the collection rate reached 70%. The electricity sector is held politicized. Some generating companies are undercapitalized and at times unable to purchase at the quarter full supplies.
Santiago de los Caballeros, Saint James of the Creek, often shortened to Santiago, is the second largest city in the Dominican Republic and the third largest city in the Caribbean by population. It is the capital of Santiago Province and the largest major metropolis in the Cibao region of the country. Santiago is the largest Caribbean city that is not a capital city and the largest non-coastal metropolis in the Caribbean island. It is approximately 155 km or 96 mi northwest of the capital Santo Domingo, with an average altitude of 178 m or 584 ft. The city has a population of 1,074,684 inhabitants. 2022 Santiago's metropolitan area population composed of the municipalities of Santiago, Licey al Medio, Baitoa, Tamboril, Punal, Villa Gonzales is 1,261,852 as of 2022, making it the Dominican Republic second largest. Santiago de los Caballeros city, Santiago de los Caballeros. Coordinate 19 derajat 26 27 and 70 derajat 41 20 Country Dominican Republic. Province Santiago. Municipality Santiago de los Caballeros. Founded 1495. Government Mayor Ulises Rodriguez. Area total 524.01.
Muy buenos días amigos, este es el ambiente que se vive en la calle Máximo Gómez, esquina Bolívar, gracias por pasar por enfrente. Estamos aquí cubriendo la
170
actividad de la toma de
or
posesión de nuestro presidente
774
Luis Rodolfo
population.
Abinader Corona.
2022 census total.
Voy a
1 million
mostrarles
074
este punto
684
lleno de personas que apoyan al presidente.
2100 km per second or
Tenemos un gran movimiento y un grupo de personas que están apoyando al presidente aquí en la esquina. También tenemos la Brigada de la Policía Nacional y la DGC con lo del tránsito.
constant 2015
Y un grupo de mujeres que apoyan a Luis Abinader. Aquí vemos a Marlene Suero, Aleja Flores.
per capita $23.
Y siguen llegando la gente de diferentes
Atlantic Standard Time.
puntos del país
Municipal
para apoyar al presidente en esta toma de posesión. Por primera vez en el Teatro Nacional se estima la llegada de muchos invitados internacionales como también presidentes y embajadores de otros países. Mantente al tanto a mis redes sociales que estaré compartiendo todas las actividades del día de hoy en esta toma de posesión hasta el final.
It has a robust agricultural sector and is a leading exporter of ram, textile and cigarettes. Santiago is known as La Ciudad Corazon, the headland city. Santiago de los Caballeros was an important strategic city in the Dominican one. What after independence, the city named Saint James of the Kings, referring to the Hidalgos de la Isabela, a group of knights who came from La Isabel city to stay in Santiago. Sometimes the city is called Santiago de los 30 Caballeros, English Saint James of the 30 Kings. Economy: La Trinitaria area in Santiago, Dominican Republic. Santiago de los Caballeros is considered the capital of the Cibao region, which produces 33% of the GDP for a total of $36.025 million in 2022, exceeding the total of El Salvador, which it had a foreign direct investment FDI of $978 million, equivalent to the 16th economy in receiving foreign investment in Latin America and the Caribbean, surpassing Ecuador. Santiago's economy is mainly based by the commercialization and industrialization of its product and finished goods, production of goods in the free zones and by commercial. The city has headquarters and branches of all the main stores, supermarkets, restaurants, and financial entities. On the country, the city also has several shopping centers and multinational companies. Since it is the second largest city in the Dominican Republic, it's currently product the second biggest percentage of the nation GDP, while also having one of the biggest income per capita and a larger middle class population. Telecommunications such as telephone, cable service, internet service, and other services are important for the local economy. Tourism, to a lesser extent, also account for a portion of the city's economy. Santiago de los Caballeros, Dominican Republic's kingly development. Santiago, like most cities and towns in the Cibao Valley, has historical benefit for the fertile land of this region. This makes Santiago de los Caballeros an important area for farming and livestock. Santiago's industrial sector is also one of the most dynamic in the country, with the concentration of 15% of the domestic industries. The main 308 manufacturing companies, which in 2004 employed more than 14,000 people, or 12% of the labor of Dominican manufacturing work. The product range from cigarettes, coffee, and alcoholic beverages to concrete, Bollywood, and street product. The Mercado Modelo on Calde Sol is a shopping center where there are various stores of handicraft and native article made by hand.
Santiago, Spanish pronunciation Santiago, is one of the 32 provinces of the Dominican Republic. It is divided into 10 municipalities and its capital city is Santiago de los Caballeros, located in north-central Dominican Republic. In the Cibao region, it is bordered by the provinces of Valverde to the northwest, Puerto Plata to the north, Espaillat and La Vaca to the east, San Juan to the south, and Santiago Rodriguez to the west. Santiago Province, located of Santiago Province, coordinate 19-21-24 and 70-54 32W, country Dominican Republic, province Chincho, 1844, capital Santiago de los Caballeros, government type subdivision, body 10 municipalities, 20 municipal district, congressperson, 1 senator, 18 deputies, area total 2,800 seats, 29 km per square or 1,083.51 SCMI, population 2022 total 1,074,679, density 38 or 380 km per square, 990 SCMI, time zone UTC for EST, area code 1X0918291849, ISO 3160 code 2 DU25, postal code 51,000, website www.provinciasantiago.gov.2/